In this season, it gives me great joy and pride to introduce our very newest presenter who is going to be sharing with you his colourful world. The gentleman in question is Freddie Fresca, and as the name implies, he's got it. Freddie has walked an incredible journey in gardening. He started off as a packer, as an assistant at a large growing facility called AT Nursery. And he has worked his way up through the gardening world, industry, learning, influencing, and his charisma is just quite infectious. Folks, this is Freddie Fresca.
Hi, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery, and welcome to my world of color. If you're only planting one annual this year, one that flowers in late winter and spring, make it a color cloud of primulas. These cool weather beauties are delicate, but surprisingly tough. What I love about primulas is that when they start flowering, I know that spring is just around the corner. They can start flowering in midwinter and they generally flower from May to October. The Primula Malaquiris, also known as the fairy primula, comes in the shades of white, rose, pink, lavender and purple. Because of their height, they make good filler plants for the middle and back section of your flower beds. In containers and hanging baskets, they can pair well with violas due to the height differences. They do need to be regularly watered, especially when planted in pots. Don't let them dry out, as the recovery will be stressful for the plant and could lead to diseases. Another great alternative for a shady garden is Primula Conical. While many other plants are on winter holiday, the Conical is in full bloom and bringing winter color into our gardens and homes. When displaying indoors, make sure to keep the soil moist at all times. Not enough water and the plant will wilt, which again will be stressful for the plant and may lead to diseases. My favorite primula has to be Primula Malaquiris, great for outdoors and indoors, better known as the primrose. Their bright colors will bring a smile to any garden. It's like having a million Smarties explode in your flower beds. The colors are amazing. They also don't mind being transplanted, even if they are in full flower. Primulas are great for mass planting. They are also suitable for rock gardens and can even be used as a ground cover. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need is on the label. And remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring moments of joy.
Well, folks, whether you call them primroses or primulas, I'm sure that Freddie has inspired you to get out there and find a spot for them in your garden.